All supplies for this project came from Dollar Tree. Put a hole in the platters and mini wavy dishes to run your lights through. Glue a mini dish to the platter. Pull the lights through. Add a flower to the mini dish and glue another dish on top. Repeat these steps until you get your desired height. To complete this project, I used 2 platters, 1 string of LED lights, 2 packs of mini wavy dishes, foam, and 1 refillable heart. Now that you have your desired height, pull the lighter and glue down your second platter. Put a hole in the center of your foam and run the lights through. Add lights to the heart and glue it onto the foam. Add flowers.